Welcome. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to add and how to remove the Google account on this watch. So the Google account on the watch is useful if you want to use Google services on it. By default, I don't think you will be able to pair the watch with a phone without the Google account, so you will need to have one anyway. But if for some reason you want to add maybe another one or different one, you want to change the Google account, I will show you how to do it. And to add the Google account, press the crown button to wake up the screen and open the menu. So usually you need to wake up the screen, then press the crown button again to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, of course, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, we need to find the option called Google. And once you find it, tap on it. And here, find the accounts. As you can see, I already have an account right here. And let's say you didn't have any or you want to add another one, you can tap on Add Google Account. And then you will see this pop-up. Your watch needs to be paired with a phone for this to work. You need to tap on this icon. And we'll see it will pop up on the screen right here. And you can add another Google account to your watch. I'm gonna tap on continue because I want to use this account, but you can always tap on choose another account if you want to. Let's verify. And after it's done signing in, it will basically copy to your watch or log in into an account on your watch. Okay, at this point it should be done. So if we go back, let's see, let's reopen the settings. Google accounts, and the account is here right now. Okay, so it was added, something was bugged, but as you can see, the account is here. And if you want to remove the account, you simply open this menu, the Google and then accounts, find the account you want to remove. You can tap on it and then tap on remove account. Then tap on the check mark to confirm and the account will be removed. Okay, and that's how you add and remove the Google account on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.